The Briggs Riley ZDX Spinner is a perfectly sized carry-on that effortlessly fits into overhead compartments or under plane seats, making it an ideal travel companion. Equipped with 4 smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, this luggage glides quietly and fluidly across various surfaces, from airport tiles to city sidewalks. One of its standout features is the Speedthru pocket with RFID shielding, providing quick access to essentials while ensuring your personal data remains secure. It also boasts a padded tech compartment that can safely house laptops up to 13 inches, along with a front slip pocket for additional compact storage. Constructed with high-grade materials, the ZDX Spinner promises durability and comes with a lifetime repair service, ensuring peace of mind for frequent travelers. Briggs & Riley have designed this spinner with thoughtful details, including a signature orange lining that signals when pockets are open, enhancing both style and functionality.